Motu Patlu are visiting random railway stations, villages and samosa shops all over the Instagram right now, and these videos are getting millions of views. And you don't need to be an editor to create these type of videos. You don't even need a camera, just one photo and a good prompt. Now let me show you exactly how it works. Just open ChatGPT or Gemini on your phone. Now type a prompt like this to generate an image. Like I am typing create a 9:16 image of Motu Patlu standing in front of Connaught Place, Delhi, Pixar-style 3D animation, cinematic lighting. Change the location to wherever you want, and in a few seconds you will get the image done. You can also take the picture of your shop, street or village, anything. Now upload it and type, "This is my city. Add Motu Patlu into this photo. Keep everything else exactly the same and 9:16 ratio." This version feels more personal because this is your actual place. Either way, once the image is ready, download it. Now open Google Flow in your browser. Sign in with your Google account. Now click on New Project. Upload the image you just downloaded. Now you need a good prompt for the video itself. This is where the dialogue happens. Set your video ratio to 9:16 for Reels and Shorts or 16:9 for longer YouTube video. And hit generate. Guys, just in a few seconds your video will be ready. And see, it is ready. Motu and Patlu talking in your chosen location.
हेलो दोस्तों, आज मैं पटलू के साथ दिल्ली घूमने आया हूँ। चलो यहाँ की चाट खाते हैं।
Now tap on download icon, select 720p and it saves to your gallery. From here you can upload it to straight on Instagram, YouTube Shorts or Facebook Reels, and just like that you have a trending video ready to post. Try it with your own village, your own street or your local shop and see how it performs. Now tell me, which location are you bringing Motu and Patlu to first? Drop in the comment section. And that's all for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.